What's up, family? Welcome to Dean's Experience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
What's up, family? For this recipe, you're going to use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of half and half, a cup and a half of fresh Parmesan cheese, 5 garlic cloves, a stick and a half of butter, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, salt, and black pepper. And with that being said, family, let's go ahead and get this started. So right here, we're going to start by grating our cup and a half of fresh Parmesan cheese. Now you can use more. I just like to use a cup and a half for this recipe. Now, if you don't have a cheese grater, you can use a cheese knife. Looks like this. If you don't have a cheese knife, always go to your famous chef knife. If you don't have any of those, any knife will do. All right. So we're going to start off by putting our stick and a half of butter in. And we're going to go ahead and let this melt down a bit. Now that it's melting down, we're going to break it up some, get it melted down even a little faster. Now we're going to add our garlic. Let that boil. And we're going to stir it in. Get it nice and even. And as we're melting this down, quick facts.
Mediterranean fettuccine Alfredo was invented by Alfredo di Lelio in Rome. Di Lelio later opened his own restaurant, Alfredo, in alla Scrofa, then called Alfredo in 1914 on the Via della Scrofa in central Rome.
I know it's Galileo, I messed up. So now we're going to add our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Our cup of half and half. And now we're going to get to stirring it in evenly. And pretty much this is the hardest part. Make sure you don't leave your stove. You're going to be stirring for a while. The best way to stir is to go clockwise and then counterclockwise to get those liquids mixing good and evenly. Now, after we got that mixed in good enough, we're going to add in our fresh Parmesan cheese. Let that get some heat, and we're going to go ahead and stir this up. It's a lot of stirring. Remember, clockwise and then counterclockwise. And sometimes I like to mix it side by side like that, making sure I get everything mixed in evenly. Like I said, it's going to be a lot of stirring with this Alfredo. Alfredo sauce is very easy. You just got to make sure you don't leave. This is Alfredo sauce. You want to have this on medium to high heat, And that's what we're looking for. We're waiting for that cheese to melt. And we're going to keep on stirring. Now once that's stirred in good enough, we're going to add in our 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. Get in there. There we go. And when I add new ingredients, I like to let it sit, let it warm up a little bit. And you guys know what's coming up. Back to doing some more stirring. Clean as we go. Once it gets to a boil like this, go ahead and turn down your heat to low. And then we're going to cover it up. Now keep an eye on it. Once it's on low and it starts to boil more, like this here. Now we're going to go ahead and add our salt. I like using Himalayan pink salt, but you can use any salt that you like. Black pepper. And we're going to go ahead and stir those 2 ingredients in evenly. Let that cover it up a little bit longer. And then voila, this is what you're looking for. Go ahead and turn off your heat. Now we're going to do our little test. If the Alfredo sauce sticks to your spoon like this is the great consistency that you're looking for. Perfect. Hit that like button for me. Okay, let me plate this up for you guys. I'm going to just eat this plain. You can add broccoli, you can add chicken. I've seen people even add a lot of vegetables to it. Whatever's your flavor. Oh yes. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and take a taste. Delicioso. Mwah. Thanks again, family, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. And please share this video with all your friends. Help us get to our first 100 subscribers, Deans. Until next time, peace.